Today I'm going out for a night ride. Pretty excited. I'm gonna show you my manual settings with my DJI Osmo Action 4. This tiny little camera. It is very capable of shooting in low lights, whether you're out there riding at night or basically shooting in low light conditions. First of all, if you have any thoughts, ideas or comment, be sure to leave it down at the comment. I will really much appreciate it. You can say anything you want, comment anything you want. Just, make my day. If you have any ideas about my YouTube channel, what I should do in my next videos, please let me know. Anyway, let's get back to the topic. There is auto low light enhancement with this Osmo Action 4, but it's got some limitations. You cannot shoot 30 frames and above. It's only limited to 30 frames and below. And your field of view, you can't go ultra wide, which really pisses me off, because I want an ultra wide view to see my handlebar. But it's no big deal because I'm gonna do my manual settings. So let's see. Right, I'm gonna mount my camera to my helmet and show you my settings. Let's take a roll. All right, my camera is attached to my helmet. Let's turn it on. Right, it's connected to my DJI mic too. I'm using it as my audio source. I'm shooting in 4K 50 frames per second. I use 4K 50 frames per second because, to avoid light flickering. You can do 4K 60 if you want. And my stabilization, I use Rocksteady, just normal Rocksteady. Okay, now my settings, my audio source is DJI mic 2. I put this bad boy inside my helmet. Set the gain to -12, the lowest, because the mic is right next to my mouth. Okay, exposure, no more automatic. Set it to manual, 1/100, yes. And my ISO will range between 100 to 3200. Press confirmed. My color profile, I'm gonna shoot in D-Log M. It's a flat color profile. It's gonna give me more flexibility in color grading. My field of view, put it in ultra wide. Good. For the image adjustment, I'm not gonna set anything, just default. And that's that. All right. Osmo Action 4, manual night settings. Yeehaw! Oh boy, looks like it's going to rain. Yeah. As you can see, the camera can handle low light noise quite okay. I set my ISO between the range of 100 to 3200. I think it's worked pretty well. Before, when I ride at night, I usually set to auto low light, but it limits my function, When you enable auto low light, your field of view, you cannot use ultra wide, which I really need for my motorcycle because my handlebar is very low for this bike. And this CMOS sensor of this Action 4 is pretty big too. It's bigger than any other action cameras, so it's gonna perform in low lights a little bit better. I can see it handled low light just fine. You can motovlog during night with no problem. I am shooting in 4K 50 frames per second, and my shutter speed is at 100. I am still following the 180-degree shutter rule. Going for a night ride. The reason I set my ISO range between 100 to 3200 is gonna adjust the light to the conditions. Sometimes when riding at night, there are some lights, and sometimes there are no lights. So ISO is gonna adjust to get like a normal exposure as possible. But there might be a little bit of noise, but that's okay. If you want to ride at night, you're gonna sacrifice something, but at least you get a good looking motovlog video. I think it's worth it. Man, I've been riding here often. I must change my route. Oh, damn. This guy drives too fast. Oh, a bit crowded in here. It's night riding. Huh. You know, I love nightlife, but I don't like too crowded places. I just like to drive or ride my motorcycle at night. I think it just looks cool and everything, you know. I'm gonna put my phone away. It's raining now. My audio source for today is the DJI Mic 2 again. I love it, you know. No wires to connect to the camera. Fully wireless microphone. No need for a receiver as well. Just the transmitter itself. It's a very great and minimal setup for motovloggers. It's not just me who use the DJI Mic 2 with the Osmo Action 4 for motovlogging. Other bikers as well, they like it a lot. Living in Thailand, you got food day and night, all day, all night long, you know, hungry 24/7, gotta eat and eat. You know, I like to eat a lot too, since I was a kid until now. I exercise regularly, or should I say every day. I run like 6 kilometers per day. Keeps me in shape because I eat way too much. If I got to leave to other country, I'm gonna miss Thailand very much because of the food and everything. Thailand is the country with the most delicious food. I guarantee you. I love riding at night. It's got like a cool feeling to it, and it's sexy. You feel me? You know, I switched to speaking English for a while now, and so far I feel pretty good. Before, when I was creating content, I used my own language. I think I speak my own language a little bit weird, but you know, I think my English is better. I've been practicing a lot lately, but I haven't used it a long time. So I've been practicing. You know, if you got any thoughts or comments, feel free to leave it down below. I like people commenting my videos. You can give me good comments or, you know, bad comments. I can take it. You know, it ain't no thing. You know, just say anything. Just put your comments down below. It will make my day. Overall, I'm very happy that my action phone can shoot at night, and I can adjust my manual setting, and it works flawlessly. Yeah, good job. I hope you enjoy my night ride. I enjoyed my night ride. Now I'm saying, man, ain't nobody sleeping. Get some water. I'm gonna head home now. If you enjoy my video, please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.